What is the main purpose of the final sentence of the first paragraph? A. To counter a likely objection. B. To provide an alternative explanation. C. To suggest a future implication of a phenomenon. Or D. To illustrate the significance of the distinction. Let's begin by not only taking a look at the final sentence of the first paragraph, but one sentence beforehand to get the full context. While scientists have used genetic evidence to suggest that sponges first appeared between 541 million and 1,000 million years ago, the lack of fossilized sponges has created a knowledge gap. Turner's discovery may help fill that gap and provide a glimpse into the earliest marine animal life on Earth. Because the previous sentence discusses a knowledge gap, and the final sentence says that Turner's discovery may help fill that gap, it seems that our answer is C, to suggest a future implication of a phenomenon, with the phenomenon in question being Turner's study and the implication being filling the knowledge gap. To be on the safe side, let's take a quick look at our other options. A, to counter a likely objection. We can mark this choice off as the sentence makes no attempt to address or counter any objections that may have arisen. In fact, we don't see any objections at all. B, to provide an alternative explanation. Again, we simply don't see an alternative explanation here, merely a comment on what Turner's discovery could lead to. And D, to illustrate the significance of the distinction. Although this might sound like it could be our answer, as this sentence does touch on the significance of Turner's study, there's no actual distinction being made here, or comparison between two things. Based on this, we can mark this as incorrect, and we can mark C as our final answer.